What if I told you that you can make $25 today for free using just your smartphone? No investment, no experience, just an Android phone and an internet connection. Here's the thing. The difference between people who make money online and people who don't is information. Some people became rich just for buying Bitcoin when it was under $1. They didn't need money, they needed to know before everyone else. Now imagine getting that same opportunity, except this time, you don't even have to buy anything. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely claim coins completely free worth at least $25 right now. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to copy the link which is in the description of this video or click it to get redirected to this platform. You're going to go back and click the referral code because you're going to need it to actually get this bonus. So copy the referral code, click on the link and get redirected to this particular platform that says you missed Bitcoin 10 years ago. Are you going to miss out on Sun Key Chidia? Now you know that when Bitcoin came out, people actually did not regard it as much until it became one of the biggest. It became the real big thing, right? Now a lot of persons have actually made a lot of money from Bitcoin. So you should not miss out on this particular one. So once you've gotten to this platform, all you have to do is scroll the way down. You can actually go through all of this. And once you've gone through all of it, you can actually go down and you have register and you have sign in. So I'm going to click on register. Since you're just new in the platform, you're going to see register and it's going to redirect you to Play Store. I'm going to install the app right now. I'm going to show you. So install it. I'm going to click open and you're going to see create account, verify account. So we're going to click on create account. Click on create account. We're going to see the information here. You're going to see select country. You're going to see all the details right here. If you're in India, you're going to leave it as India. You're in Bangladesh, you're going to leave it at Bangladesh. Now, if you're in any other country of the world like US, UK, Nigeria, any other country, you're going to leave it at order. All right. Once you have leave it at order, you're going to fill this information right here. So I'm going to fill my information. I'm going to leave it as Ebenezer link. I'm going to go with this email address and referral code. Remember, I told you about referral codes, which I have. So I'm going to paste my referral code. So you're going to copy the referral code the moment when you're going to click on the link, get redirected. You're going to copy on the referral code as well. And now you're going to have this send verification code. Now we're going to send verification code to the email Ebenezer CEN, and we're going to get that code and we're going to impute it here. Now you're going to have the email look like this, verify. So you're going to click it open, and this is the code we have here, 967852. 967852, and we're going to click on create accounts and continue. So the next, you're going to have create a passkey. Now you're going to click on continue. Now this is going to, the passkey is going to be either your face or your fingerprint. So I'm going to use my fingerprint for the passkey. Now you're going to have this, which I am going to obviously block, and this is going to be your code. You're going to have the information right here. This is going to be your code, and then you're going to click on copy to clipboard and you're going to copy it and go somewhere and save it somewhere safe, because this is more like your passkey, right? Without this, you're not going to have access to your wallet. So I'm just going to save this somewhere. So I've saved this and I'm going to click on saved. When I click on saved, and it's going to ask me to get access to my location. So I'm going to do that for now, right? So yes, you've signed up to make $20. And I told you guys in the intro of this video, you're going to make $25 at least. That's the minimum you're going to make from this, from watching this particular video. Now you can actually make more than this. And how are you going to do that? You're going to see that there are different things you can actually do on this platform to make more than $25, but I'm just saying $25 as the minimum. So you're going to see we'll have the personal area. This is where your account information is, obviously, and then you're going to have share, you're going to have honor, you have temple, you have chat. I'm going to show you how to make money with this, how you're going to be able to earn more with these options, with these features. Now before I continue, I'd like to say that there are certain informations I cannot share with you guys here on YouTube. Things that have to do with surveys, like other ways of making money online that YouTube might frown at when I publish it on my channel, right? They've taken a lot of videos down, and because of that I have a community on Telegram that on this particular community I share information on the community. So if you'd like to be part of the community, be sure to click the link to join the community, the Telegram community. It's right there in the description, and it's also on this channel. So it's in the description of this video and the comment section of this video. You can click it and join the community, so that when I have information that I can share with you guys on YouTube right here, I can share it with you guys on the channel. All right, so let's continue. So if you look at up here, you have where you have welcome patrons, and you have a code right here that is your own code. I'm going to show you what you're going to need to do with this particular code. So what we're going to do next is you're going to have click on share, you're going to click on honor, you're going to click on tempo. So let's click on chat. Let's see this feature. So for this particular feature right here, you're not going to make anything. You're not making anything from this particular feature. So I'm just going to click on exit. So we'll have tempo right here. Now this particular tempo right here is where you actually start mining. So you want to mine and you want to end using this particular app. So just click on light the lamp. So once you click on light the lamp, it says lamp successfully, you have been 50,000 SKC has been added to your SKC balance. I'm going to click on OK. So we'll have the lamp light on. I'm just going to click on return. So now you see you've earned extra $5 by actively mining. So for each day you turn on the lamp, you actively earn $5. So this one is active. You have to be active to actually do this. So after 24 hours, the light is going to turn off. You're going to need to come back to the platform again to turn it on to actively mine and earn 50,000 SKC, which is worth $5, right? So for each day you did this, you're going to earn $5 every day doing this. Now that is this for this one. Now there's actually another method to actually earn, and this one is actually one of my favorites, right? Now if you can actually bring people to this platform, you're going to earn $5 for each person you're going to bring to the platform. That is about 50,000 SKC. All right, so to do that, you're going to click on share. Now if you click on share, you're going to have this, and you're just going to have to scroll all the way down. You're going to click on share and click on this one right here. So it's going to redirect you to the platform, to anybody. Let's say you want to share it to anybody. I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to send it to someone. So let me just go to myself. Let me share it to myself. So we'll have you. I'm going to share this to myself right here. I'm going to share this to myself right here. So you have this. So if all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this link right here, copy this link. If I want to share it to someone, I'm going to copy this link and share it to the person. Just this particular link like this to the person, and I'm going to share with them my unique code. I'm going to share with them my unique code. So you see, I've shared this to myself and I've earned $5. So my unique code right here for invite is this, and this is what I'm going to share with you. This is what you're going to have in the description or comment section of this particular video, and this is this. So I'm going to share this with them, right? Once I have it shared, you're going to register on the platform and I'm going to earn. Now let me even say this. You see this amount that you just saw got added to this. You see this a particular amount that you just got added to this. It's not yet valid. It's only valid when the person I've actually sent this link has actually registered or completed registration. So don't think that because it added that it becomes valid. No, this is actually to encourage you to go on and share with a real person, so that the person gets to sign up on the platform and register. Now to show you that this has not yet activated, if you come over to where we have honor, we'll click on honor. You're going to see that it says unawakened. And to actually awaken it, you're going to have someone complete registration using my link. Now you see, I told you $25 at least, but we're able to make $30 doing what I just had to show us. $25 is because I've not referred anyone. If I get to refer someone and it completes the action, I earn $25. Now one thing I want to make clear is that this particular platform is still in the early stages, and there is not liquidity yet on the platform. So I know people are going to be asking, Ebenezer, how am I going to withdraw the money? No. So at this moment right now, you cannot withdraw the money. All you have to do is aid in and join in as an early user on the platform. And start holding the coin right now before it becomes the best big thing. Alright, be sure to ape in on this and earn $5 daily. And having said that, guys, I'm going to allow you to into action what I've shown you in this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.